Hello everyone, welcome to my very first video since moving in. What? I've lived here for 10 days, 9 nights. It has been a whirlwind. Since it has taken me a bit of time to get settled, I thought I would just bring you a little haul because with a house comes many a purchase. And it actually took me a bit of time to even spend any money because there's this constant fear that I'm learning to get comfortable with that anything could go wrong at any time. But at the end of the day, I need to live my life and I need to buy some stuff. I thought I would show you guys the very first purchases that I made as a homeowner. You might be disappointed with how boring some of them are. But here we go. I'll be breaking this video up into chapters so you can skip around depending on what you're interested in. No problemo. A little bit of a hodgepodge situation here. And I promise, as we get settled into things, I imagine that the hodgepodge will lessen. Wait, the hodgepodge videos will swap out for real hodgepodge. What is hodgepodge? Isn't it like a crafting thing? What is hodgepodge? Hodgepodge, a confused mixture. Rob's living room was a hodgepodge of modern furniture and antiques. Oh, I thought hodgepodge, no, hodgepodge crafts. Hold on. What is Mod Podge? What is Mod Podge? What is Mod Podge? See, I'm learning. Mod Podge is a glue, sealer, and varnish in one, which is perfect for decoupage. Oh, okay. Should I do Mod Podge? Okay, let's get into this haul. So my first purchase is quite interesting. It is a large purchase, and the reason being that we got to this point so quickly, I got locked out. I got locked out of my house on day 3. I didn't have my watch. I didn't have my phone. I obviously didn't have my key. It was cold out. I was wearing shorts. I was disgusting. I was not ready to be seen by my whole neighborhood in such a state. But I got locked out of my house. There was a kid, like a teenager, outside. I borrowed his phone. I called a locksmith and I texted my cousin and my sister. The locksmith never came. And thankfully, my sister came to the rescue. She called a locksmith. And the locksmith she called actually showed up. And then my cousin called the police to do a wellness check. It was the longest 2 hours of my life. I did some yard work. I set up my hammock. I contemplated life. I stargazed. I almost cried, but I didn't. And that's what brings me to my first purchase. And that is, I got keyless entry to my house because that was a lesson I only wanted to learn once, okay? It was really traumatic. So I purchased one set for my front door, one set for my back door, and I now have a multitude of ways to get into my home without key. Clearly, these are still in the box. I've not unboxed them, and I went for 2 different styles. I think this one here, no, this one here, yes, this one. This one is for my front door because it has a built-in camera, which is kind of extra. I could have just bought a separate camera and it could have saved money potentially, but I did end up finding both of these models refurbished on eBay, and because it was refurbished by Eufy's approved refurbisher, it comes with a 2-year extended warranty. So I saved some money. I got a good deal considering these are on the higher price point. You can get keyless entries for less, but this is my home. This is my security. This is my safety. I don't really like a bunch of gadgets on my door. So putting the camera on the keypad, for me, that was kind of like a bougie aesthetic choice. And then for the back door, I got a more basic one that was pretty affordable. Let's just do a cute little unboxing because this is an unboxing video. I should have another camera here because you can't see. I'm a big fan, generally speaking, of open box products. Like Best Buy does open box pricing, Amazon does used, and they have like different tiers, but I rarely shop on eBay. So this was new and exciting. So here's the front door look. I'll go ahead and unpeel it because this is an unboxing video after all. Whoa! Ooh, okay. So at the top we have our little camera. This is my doorbell. We have the keypad, of course. And then on the top, that is for fingerprint. So this specific model, there's a lot of ways to get in. So you can use the number code, and I think you can set different codes. So let's say I have a cat sitter coming over, or my family's gonna come over and I'm at work or something like that. I think I can give them a specific code, which is really cool. It can scan your finger. You can also use the app. You can also, I'm pretty sure it syncs with Apple Watch, which I have one. So that's pretty cool. And there's a few other ways you can use it, but that's enough for me. So this is the front, and it mounts into the deadlock. And then this is the back. And so it like does that. This is exciting. I will never get locked out again. Oh, and also something else that I found very appealing with this model is it has a rechargeable battery. In theory, I should only have to recharge the battery every 3 to 6 months, and I can handle that. It takes a while, so just making sure that you do it on like your day off or something. But that is lock numero uno. How exciting. And then this one, it's more of the same. It's just less fancy, and I'm okay with that. I'm excited. Yay! Unboxing number 1. Okay. Next up, we've got some Amazon items. Most of these might be kind of boring. Here's box number 1. Let's go. Hi. Oh, feels like Christmas. Okay, so this is, now that I have my own plumbing to worry about, these purchases are so lame. Okay, welcome to home ownership. Hi. Okay, I have my own plumbing to worry about, and I am a hairy lady. Like, you can't see. If you watch any of my things, you know I have like a ton of hair. So, I am a Drano queen. I'm a queen of Drano. I have to Drano constantly. And I know that it's not the best for the environment, and I know that it is not great on plumbing, but I wasn't gonna go buy like a custom drain. I'm sorry, but now that I have a home, it's the first thing I bought. So here we have the tub shroom with a stopper. So this one can go in a bathtub. You stick this right in your drain. The hair, you know what? This is an unboxing video. Allow me. I am so sorry. Is this the top? Maybe I should read the directions. I don't get it. This is an extender, so depending on the size of your drain, just to ensure it'll fit. The stopper, I'm like, where does the stopper go? Am I dumb? God, you know, home ownership, I gotta say, is a humbling experience. I'm figuring it out. Okay, this goes into the drain, and then you take it out to clean it, and then this goes when you're taking a bath. So I got this special one specifically for my bathtub. Oh, so the water goes in through here and then blocks. How does it work? Oh, okay. I think I get it. So this sits down into the drain here, and then all these holes are big enough that your hair comes in and it stops, but I don't get how it stops. I just, you know, ask me later how this thing works. Wow. Is this the correct first purchase? I'm not sure. I'm not so sure. Surprise! I got the kitchen version, a larger version. I'm excited. I have a garbage disposal, but it's trash. It's not good. So I don't want to rely on it too heavily because I don't want to have to replace it anytime soon. So I just thought, you know what? Let's just take advantage of my garbage. Okay, on to the next. What is it? I don't know. Is it another drain stopper? I hope not. this video would be so boring. Oh, this is so boring. Okay, I bought water filters for my fridge because my fridge has a fancy water dispenser and ice maker, and it's very exciting. But of course, they didn't do me any favors and, switch out the filter before leaving, and that's okay. You know what? I figured it out. I figured out what type to get. But here's the issue, you guys, is I've looked high and low for this filter. I have no idea where it is. My parents are coming over this weekend. They're seeing the house for the first time. I just really hope one of them can help me find the filter. I think I bought 2 to get a discount, and now I'm set for like a year. Will the fridge last that long? I don't know. It's very loud and it sounds tired. But it's a big upgrade from my last fridge. So I very much love it, and it keeps everything cold, and I'm excited to finally have some filtered water. And I've been honestly really dehydrated. Drinking tap water in a new place, is it just me? It's scary. It's scary to me. I'm sorry. I don't know. But I'm playing catch up and I'm working on it, and I'm trying to stay hydrated. Ow.
Oh, Pip, you're so curious.
Is it gonna shoot out at me?
It shouldn't. You just...
It came out. I think I pressed it back in, and now I broke it. Whoa.
Well, it looks like that's all the further it pops. And actually, it's keyed the right way, so it looks compatible.
What is this? Oh, silly me. This is not part of this haul. I get subscribe and save. I did not expect any subscribe and save items in this shipment, but for some reason, they brought my little protein shakes. These are emergency foods for me, and especially with all of the chaos right now, having something I can go to when I have completely forgotten to feed myself, which happens on a regular basis. This is a great go-to just to tide me over so I don't pass out while I prepare food for myself. Or another thing I like to do is if I eat something that's not healthy, I'll drink one of these as a dessert so I get a little protein in my diet, because it's jam-packed with protein, really low on sugar. It's only 4 grams of added sugar, 20 grams of protein. It's all plant-based. They're delicious. That was not supposed to be part of this haul, and I apologize. Don't look at my bed. On that note, I'm not actually in my bedroom. This is the second bedroom, and I will get to that in probably the next video. Probably in the next video, you will learn all about my bedroom. I'm so excited. Give me a little bit of time. It's been a lot. I'm trying to do weekly uploads. We're doing an unboxing. It's fabulous. It's fabulous. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one's much lighter. Guess what? I got 2 more tub shrooms. I got one for my bathroom sink, and I got one for my guest shower. Was this overkill? Am I dumb? Am I being smart? I feel like I'm being proactive. Of all the things you can buy when you first buy a house, I don't think this is what people think to do, but we're here. Moving on. Oh! I got a drying rack. If you remember, in my very first I Bought a House Part 1, first episode of Wendy's House, my new weekly series dropping every Wednesday. If you aren't subscribed, consider it. It's only gonna get better. It's only gonna get better.
Will it get better?
I mentioned that during the inspection, we could not figure out how to get the dishwasher to get water. It's connected to water. The dishwasher turns on and gets quite hot, but no water gets to it. So I'm not rushing into buying a new dishwasher. Maybe I can figure out how to get it working. And in the meantime, I have to wash my dishes by hand. I mentioned that I moved in 10 days ago. I haven't washed a single dish. They are all sitting in my sink right now. Yes, I rinsed most of them. It's not disgusting. I'm not trying to get fruit flies or anything crazy, but they're sitting there, okay? It's getting kind of bad. So this came at the perfect time. Maybe I'll kick off my weekend by doing some dishes and using my new drying rack. And I'm so excited because it sits right in the sink. So all of the little drippy droppies go right into the sink where they belong. So this is exciting. And that wraps up my first unboxing for tonight. There's a very, very big, very, very special unboxing happening tomorrow. We'll be hodgepodging, we'll be mod podging, we'll be podgepodging. It's gonna be fabulous. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, 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 what do we have here? I bought a washer dryer combo. I'm so extra. I decided to get the LG wash combo all-in-one. Also ventless, which means there's no use for this thing. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do about that. We're technically in the primary suite. I said it before, I'll say it again. I think it's gonna be my next video. So stay tuned, you're gonna hear all of the plans going on. It's crazy back here. Just sit tight. And don't forget to subscribe and you'll see what the plan is. But I have laundry in my bedroom and I have a washer dryer combo. The next day, I received the last of my purchases, but I didn't have much time to film, so here's me opening my smoke and carbon monoxide detector combo, as well as 3 more miniature smoke detectors, so that I can have safety equipment in each bedroom, the hallway, and the kitchen. One of the primary reasons I selected these items was for their 10-year battery life to reduce maintenance or that pesky beeping that happens when your battery is low. Oh, and here's me forgetting that I bought my nephew's birthday present. And then later that day, I picked up my first Facebook Marketplace furniture for the new house. This absolutely amazing flip-top vanity and stool. And then my parents came over to see the house for the very first time, and my mom gifted me this Boston Fern, who I appropriately named Fangorn the Fern. So that is all I've got for today's video. Next week, we will be diving into my bedroom design, and I am so excited to be sharing this adventure with you all. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Until next time. Oh, my stuff, it's arrived. I stab you. I kill you. And you tell I don't do unboxings. It has been a long time since I did one. Do you even want to see what I got? I don't know, but I'm showing you. I got box number, oh, I don't want to show my address. I got box number, oh, I just almost did it again. It's arrived. I don't know if it's salvageable. I don't know if it's salvage. I can't say that word. Never mind. Oh, my stuff has arrived.